Welcome one and all. It's my second video on the linear inequations. So I have already discussed up to type 3. So the remaining part of type 3 is this. Solve 5 by x minus 2 more than equal to 3. Remember, must keep RHS 0 according to the condition of type 3. I have discussed that in type 3 the right side must be 0. So carry this 3 to left and then take LCM. After that simplify this and we get this. This negative is not available, should not be available in a standard form. So changing sign of numerator. सिर्फ इसका sign बदलिए numerator का, not denominator. The numerator, the minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and greater than becomes less than. This is now in a standard form. Now we are going to find the critical points. The critical points is obtained by equating numerator 0, denominator 0. So if this is 0, this is 0, we get x is equal to 11 by 3 and 2. Now display these points. 2 is smaller, so it's kept in left. And this 11 by 3 is larger, so kept in right. After that, there is one more condition, that denominator, this should not be 0. So denominator is not 0, so x minus 2 not 0, so x is not 2. So never take 2. 2 is not taken. So no dark is here. इसको dark नहीं करना है और 2 is not taken. But 11 by 3 is taken due to this equal sign. Due to equality, 11 by 3 is taken. And what is the need? The need is less than equal to 0. Less than means negative is the need. Negative need. So we need negative less than 0. So this is the negative. So our answer is in between this and this. So this is the answer. 2 smaller than x smaller than equal to 11 by 3. Or you can keep the answer in a style. 2 not taken, so a small bracket, 11 by 3 taken, so big bracket. This is your answer. Now type 4. Type 4 is modulus type. This is based on modulus. If you see this, there are two rules. If modulus of x is less than a, then your answer x will lie between minus a and a. And if more than a, your answer will be x smaller than minus a or x more than a. You can learn more from here. Minus a and a. This is mod x less than equal to a. In case of less than equal to a, your answer will be in between this x. So this is your answer. This is your answer. This is a remembering tip. But in case modulus of x is more than a, your answer will shift this side and this side. So in case of more than a, the answer will be minus infinity to minus a and a to infinity. So x will shift here and x will shift here. So this gives x is smaller than equal to minus a. This is called x is smaller than minus a, and this is called x is bigger than equal to a. So these 2 points have been reflected. So these are the 2 rules. So using the 2 rules, solve this 9th and 10th. Simply using the first rule, no equal sign is here. So equal sign is not mentioned. In case there is no equal sign, then just remove this. Remove this. In case equal sign, put equal sign everywhere. So the first rule gives our answer. Minus 4 not taken, 4 not taken, so x belongs to minus 4 and 4 with a small bracket. In case of greater than 4, use rule 2. This rule 2 is being used. X is smaller than minus 4 or x is more than 4. Now just this can be displayed on number line. A smaller than minus 4 means this side and more than 4 means this side. So our answer is from minus infinity to minus 4, union 4 to infinity. Now taking a self question, self-made question, solve modulus of x minus 2x minus 3 is less than equal to 4. Suppose it has to be solved. So how it will be solved? Use the first rule. According to the first rule, this is equal, this implies minus 4 is smaller than 2x minus 3 is smaller than equal to 4. Now how this is solved fastly? This is type 2. In type 2 you can distribute it in two parts. In between there is and means the common will be the answer. The first part is this, second part is this. So minus 4 is smaller than 2x minus 3 and this 2x minus 3 is smaller than 4. According to type 2 you can do this, but I am going to discuss the fastest rule. Just learn the fastest rule without type 2. So fastest rule, you have to find x. So remove this minus 3, add 3, सब में 3 ऐड कर दीजिए, यहाँ भी 3 ऐड करो, यहाँ भी 3 ऐड करो, यहाँ भी 3 ऐड करो. This 3 cancel. After that we get minus 1 is smaller than equal to 2x is smaller than equal to 7. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 and this is 4 plus 3 7, 3 cancel. You have to remove 2 to find x. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. So this is your final answer. 2 cancel. So minus half is smaller than equal to x is smaller than equal to. This is 7 by 2. So our x belongs to minus 1 by 2 and 7 by 2. So this is your answer. So this is the fast technique without using type 2. You can use type 2 also. Now moving towards another question. 3x mod 3x minus 2. This is question of 11th number from your book. Absolute value of 3x minus 2 is less than equal to half. Now it has to be answered. Likewise, using the first rule, this is minus half is smaller than equal to 3x minus 2 is smaller than equal to half. So this is rule 1. This rule, now 2 to be removed, add 2. Add 2 plus 2 plus 2. So this cancels. So we are getting 3x this. And when both are added, it gives 5 by 2. And in this case, 4 minus 3 by 2. Now we have to remove this 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So this becomes, this is cancelled. And 3 by 3, 3 means 3 by 1. So this is 3 by 2 multiply 1 by 3 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 5 by 2. Again 3 by 1, this is 1 by 3. So our final answer is almost ready. This 3 cancel. So 1 by 2 is smaller than equal to x is smaller than equal to 5 by 6. So we are close to our answer. 1 by 2 to 5 by 6. So x belongs to 1 by 2, 5 by 6. In this way, we can do the fast. Now, one more question. 13th number. 13th. 2 by absolute value of x minus 3 is more than 5. A student, first of all, remove this. Multiply by positive number or modulus allowed. We cannot multiply by negative number both sides. So multiply by modulus of x minus 3. इससे सबको multiply कर दो. So let us see what happens when this is multiplied with x minus 3, modulus of x minus 3 and modulus of x minus 3. To remove this is removed. Now this implies 2 by 5 is more than modulus of x minus 3, and then this can be written as modulus of x minus 3 is less than 2 by 5. ये देखो 2 by 5 बड़ा है इससे, तो ये छोटा हो जाएगा इससे. This is the normal case. If A is more than B, this implies B is less than A. This is true always. True always. Now you know how it will be done. So this is according to rule 1. Minus 2 by 5 is smaller than equal to, smaller than simply x minus 3 is smaller than 2 by 5. After that you know the process how it will be done. So this is also finished. Now suppose in case of greater than, I have not taken example of greater than, solve. Modulus of x minus 2 is greater than 4. Now to do this you will follow the second rule. This is the self-made question, not in your book. You can mention here 3 also. Now according to this rule, x is smaller than minus a. So this gives 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is smaller than minus 4, or 3x minus 2 is greater than 4. It is easy to do this. This implies 3x is smaller than, this will be plus 2, so minus 2, and hence x is smaller than minus 2 by 3, or 3x more than 6, so x more than 1 by 2. So these are the answers. The answer will be given like this: minus 2 by 3, not to be taken, not to be taken, or suppose equal sign is here, you can take this, and less than is moved towards left up to minus infinity, and 1 by 2, greater than x, greater than 1 by 2 means move towards this infinity, and this is the more shaded, also shaded, both are shaded due to equal sign. So our aim is established. So the answer is, you can write x here, x will shift here. This is the answer. No harm. If you want to answer in this type, the x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 by 3 union half to infinity. So this is your answer. Now the hot questions. One more thing, sometimes in case of urgency, use this concept, modulus of x is equal to positive of x when x is greater than 0, modulus of x is equal to negative of x when x is smaller than 0, modulus of x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. In case of urgency, you will apply this, not everywhere. So I am going to take one example of this kind. So this is solve. The problem is higher order thinking problem, Hot's problem. Solve 5 plus mod x minus 2 mod x minus 2 by x minus 3 is less than 5. Now students, this is a complicated problem. So this concept should be used. There are two cases. Case 1. In case 1, take absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to positive of x minus 2. When x minus 2, according to this instruction, if you are taking positive, then this x more than 0. And similarly, here this and this must be more than 0. Under this condition, the given expression, the given expression will be written as 5 plus, in place of this we will write this x minus 2 by x minus 3 is smaller than 5. So this is x plus 3 by x minus 3 is smaller than 5. This is a strongly type 2 I have discussed. You can do this like type 2. Similarly, you have to deal case 2. Do yourself. You can do yourself according to type 2. Carry this to left side, right side, ensure right side 0. Ensure RHS 0. And after that you will be doing, in case 2, take modulus of x minus 2 is negative of x minus 2 when the second rule, this, when x is smaller than 0, x minus 2 is smaller than 0. After that again proceed in the same way and you will be getting the same type 2 and you can do this. and compose the two types, two cases, and get the final answer. I am not going to discuss more. Those who are interested in the main type can do this hard problem. So thank you very much, students. This is all about the linear inequation. I will discuss the graph shortly. Thank you.